Hi everyone, in this video I want to cover how to install a cellular communicator for a PROA7PLUS. The installation kit comes with the cellular communicator, an FCC sticker, and a retention screw. You will also need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Go to where the PROA7PLUS is mounted and prepare the panel for removal by disarming the system. Remove the retaining screw at the bottom of the panel. Now, you can remove the panel by lifting outwards from the bottom. Turn the panel over and disconnect the battery. Remove the left side cover. Insert the cellular communicator into the slot on the left-hand side of the panel as seen here. Press firmly to ensure the communicator is securely seated. Now, secure the communicator with the supplied retention screw. Place the supplied FCC sticker to the back of the panel as shown. You can now reinstall the left side cover. Next, reconnect the battery. You can now attach the panel to its wall bracket, and the panel should begin to power up. Reattach the retaining screw at the bottom of the panel. During the system startup sequence, you can confirm that the cellular communicator is enabled. After the PROA7PLUS has completed startup, you can verify that the communicator is working properly by doing the following. Tap the menu icon. Swipe up on the menu list, then tap Tools. Enter your installer code. Tap System Tests. Tap Test Communicator. Tap Test Cellular. This will test the communicator's connection to the cellular network and give you the signal strength of the communicator. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a cellular communicator into your PROA7PLUS.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.